The clear shine booth, directly under the Coastal Virginia Auto Show banner.
Here we are at the Coastal Virginia Auto Show, and we have the owner of this beautiful 1971 72 Vega GT.
Yep.
Pro Street. What can you tell us about the car? What's your name?
Johnny Birch.
Johnny, where are you from?
The Plata, Maryland, or Welcome, Maryland.
Welcome, Maryland. Okay,
Yeah.
Southern Maryland.
Yeah.
Well, we can do a little walk around.
Sure.
Just tell me a little bit about the car.
Well, it's a big block, 30 over 502 with 507 inches, 871 anniversary edition. Dyer's made 50 of those.
Wow.
750 carbs. It's got the Mustang 2 AR front end, Pinto rack. It's got a 4L80E automatic with the rears of 4 9-inch.
What size gears?
389.
Oh, that's good.
It has a 31 16 15 tire.
15 by 6 Kragers? Or 15 by 3?
Yeah, that's
and a
them are
half?
15 by 4.
4.
Yeah, there's 14-inch Kragers on the back. Yeah.
You have any idea how many horsepower it's pumping?
Right now, the tune-up is on it now about 660.
That's nice.
And my buddy Joe from Superior Tiers did the seats and all for me.
Nice. What type of shifter?
I think that's a B&M shifter.
You know.
It's old, just one of the old ones. It was old, so I put it with the old car. Then my buddy Steve Davis did some paint work here for me.
What's the Kickapoo?
That is
Moonshiner?
drinking. People throw a bunch of different stuff in, and I was drinking it the day I got married, so it's gonna stick with me for life.
There you go.
Yeah.
You say 15 by 15
Yeah,
inch wheels?
the tires are 31 16 15 tires, and it's a 14-inch rim.
Oh, okay. Wow. Full roll cage and
Yep.
all the way
Yep.
through.
It's got a 4-link with the Coney coilovers in the back. 20-gallon fuel cell. It's a fun car to drive.
Yep.
Yeah.
You got the GT wheel original?
Yeah, it's all GT.
How long you had the car?
I went to visit a buddy of mine in South Carolina, and we ended up bringing it home, and Tommy brought it to me in 2012. And me and Tony Wright finished it up last year.
What's your latest project? You got a 55 Chevy?
Oh, no, that's Tony. Tony's working
okay.
on the 55. He's going to do them with gas.
Yeah, that's what
It's coming along pretty good.
in the works. I know you had a few Vegas, right?
No, I think I'm going to take a break and save some money.
That's no fun.
Well, nowadays you got to save some money before you do anything.
Right, exactly. It's like buying a house.
I got to stay home for 2 weeks.
Well, until next time, Dreamgoatinc checking out. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click that bell for notifications. Thanks for watching.